Hey guys, just doing a brief overview of some BIM360 glue interface, what it's all about, what to expect from a basic Tilden-Coil job, and just kind of run you guys through it if you're a little bit confused about the interface. So basically up here at the top right, if you click, once you log into your profile, this is typically what you'll be greeted with, more or less this right here. It'll show you all of the projects that you've been assigned to, and that's typically something that we will handle. We will assign you to certain projects, and they will pop up and populate in here. You could see all the jobs that I'm currently on right now. We can remove old jobs if necessary, and add you to new ones, obviously from an administration perspective. Basically, to start off here, if you go to your top right, any downloads that you're going to need as far as Navisworks will basically be inside of this. If I were to go and click, it'll take you to our company's downloads here. So anything that you guys need will typically be in here. Autodesk Point Layout, Navisworks 18 and 19 are some of the ones here. So if I were to go back to our BIM360 glue, right in here you can, if you have any questions or anything about glue, you could use that. Also any account settings, pretty self-explanatory. So the job that I'll be kind of running you through is Mount Sac Athletics. I think this will be an easy one to do. So first things first, you kind of start off on this project base screen, so to speak. Off to the right hand side, you're going to see a list of activities, people who have uploaded, anybody who's made comments will basically show up right in here. As far as administration, this will be on our end. Being the construction manager of some of these jobs, we'll be able to assign certain roles, upload and download privileges to certain subcontractors. Moving on, you'll see on this main screen a list of merged models. This will basically only show you the latest models that have been merged models that have been uploaded. If you want to add one to the upload, you could just click here. Models. This will just show you again the latest models that have been uploaded in no organizational fashion. It'll just basically show you what's the latest, who's uploaded recently. If you go to this next tab up here, it'll take you to the merge model screen. Right here, Mount Sac Athletics Complex East is obviously the name of the project, and right in here we will upload only Tilden-Coil merged models that we've created on our end. They will only go in here. Any of our subs models that or subs who want to create merged models, or we need to create merged models for our subs, will go in the respective folders underneath. So you can see we've got Daniels merged, Daniels Electrical, JG Tape Plumbing, and ProCraft right here as well, and they can upload any of these in their respected folder. And in order to upload into a respective folder, let's say I was Daniels, I can just go right in here. As long as I've got this highlighted blue, I could go ahead and add the merged model, and it will basically go into this respective folder. Under models, the next tab, you can see here we've got a list of all of our trades: architectural, steel, structural, concrete, HVAC, so on and so forth. The models that we basically control from the start of BIM coordination at least, are our architectural, structural, concrete, and our site grading models if need be for site grading. You'll be able to, from a upload perspective, for our weekly uploads for our BIM coordination meetings, let's say your HVAC, you would, when you went ahead and wanted to upload a file, you would just go into your HVAC folder, and then you'd hit upload models right up here at the top. And you can see here all of HVAC's latest models will be in here. Any of the old files that are in here will be overwritten, unless if you create a respective folder named like old or something and drug the old ones in there for reference. But you can also see here we have subfolders, so we've got their Revit models right in this folder. We just typically keep their NWCs, their Navisworks files. Then you can see we've got Revit files in a subfolder of HVAC, and then also we use BIM360 Glue, or we've been using recently BIM360 Glue for shop drawings uploads. So you can see you've got PDF. You can upload PDFs to here as well, and you can actually use this as a database for shop drawings and any PDF documents that you may please. But this is our basic folder structure. You could pause the video here and take a screenshot if you want, but that's typically how we set it up, and that was just done with adding multiple folders to this and organizing them as such. I guess moving to another TCC folder, we've got TCC Revit models here. So this is going to be any of the models that I said previously that we own from a BIM stage moving forward. You can see we've got architecturals, site grading, and structurals that we will upload and update accordingly, so that our subs can have reference to these files when they're creating their systems. So that's basically a brief overview of BIM360 Glue. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. But should be pretty self-explanatory, and I hope you guys start to use this a lot more often. It's a great tool. Thanks a lot.